My name is Pastor Ronald, and this is my wife Cynthia. Our church from the Philippines sent us here in Cambodia as a missionary, right here in this city in Siem Reap, Cambodia.
We started our mission work here in worship, in prayer, and intercession. We do a lot of prayer walks. We do a lot of intercession and worship night together. In the beginning, just two of us. And then the Lord added one. And then the Lord added another. And then we have 5 people. And through that 5 people, we started cell group. And then from 5, now we are at least 40 people gathering together. We do discipleship, and then some of them are ready to work and to really serve the Lord. And this December we're going to launch our first service. We believe that the Lord is doing a great things here in Cambodia, and the Lord is bringing many laborers here in this harvest field, because the field is ripe and ready for harvest. So the ministry is heading to a grand launching.
This time and this moment, God is like bringing us so many kinds of people in us. We start a cell group. We go to university. We start a men's breakfast. We have a women's destiny as well, and we have like children every Sunday. We're believing that this ministry is gonna grow.
There are so many lives being changed, and it's not only the Cambodian. We also have from Philippines, we have from Indonesia,
Malaysia,
we have from Malaysia. We're
Singapore.
actually multinational, and at the same time we are focusing on the local people here.
As my wife mentioned, this December 11, we're gonna launch our Victory Church here in Cambodia, and we're excited about that. What we're planning in the long term, this church here in Siem Reap will be the Antioch Church right here in this city. And then in this nation, there's 3 capital cities in this nation. There is Phnom Penh, there is Siem Reap, and there is Battambang. As soon as we launch the church here in Siem Reap, our plan after 2 years, we're gonna move to Battambang and start another church there. And then after establish the church there, we're gonna move to the main city of Cambodia, which is Phnom Penh, to start another church. So we're believing that the Victory churches here in Cambodia will scattered, and we're gonna preach the gospel in this nation. We're looking forward for what's gonna do in this nation. Church planting after church planting in this nation. We're believing that many lives has been changed. Many signs and wonders God will perform in this nation. And we're believing for breakthrough upon breakthrough in this nation.
Victory Philippines, we are so thankful and so grateful for all the work that the Lord has done in our midst, and you are all part of it. So we started in the very scratch, started just 2 of us, and then the Lord added people.
Because of your prayer, Victory Fairview, God is opening this nation. And we're believing that God will expand our territory in this nation. And we're believing that God is going to open more upon this nation. We just thank you for your prayer and support. We just thank you for always backing us in many ways. So Victory Fairview, this is our church, and we're believing for a breakthrough in this nation.